I get along with pretty much all the kids. There are a lot of girls that like me. They're just shy. I mean, I'm kind of shy too, so I know what they're going through. And I can't really expect them to come out and tell me how they feel. Especially with guys like Chris. A whole group of girls invited me to this party. And all dressed up. I was the only boy there. Play this game where they'll giggled and dared each other to kiss me, and did. I'm sure they're just shy. I'm really good at making people laugh when they do things. But I don't really know what those things are. I mean, get up from a table after eating lunch, and a whole group of kids at the next table over starts laughing. I thought about being a comedian since I'm so good at making people laugh. Like Chris, Angus. I don't like making those guys laugh. Not really. Sometimes it's not fun to make them laugh. There. Sometimes I just wish their little hearts would just freeze. I have fantasies about it. In my dreams, I see guys like Chris choking on something. He's motioning for me to help him. He's going to give him a Heimlich or something. But I don't do anything. Falls to his knees, holding his throat. He's turning blue. I just watch. For some reason, blood starts to come out of his ears, or his nose. His eyes pop out, and blood starts to come from there too. And this whole time, I know I can save him. I don't do anything. I watch him die. He's lying there. Not moving. He's not doing anything. And his skin splits open. I mean, I expect to see muscles or bone, but instead, it's just maggots and spiders and worms start crawling out of his ravaged body. And then I know what he was. Nothing. He didn't mean anything to anyone except insects and spiders. Sometimes I think about just ending it. It'd be so easy to make a statement to the world. The kids like me aren't going to take it anymore. Just put a gun to his head. Pull the trigger. And see if I'm right about his insides.